So I just came across this new desktop client called Jellyfin Desktop, and it seems super interesting.
Oh, really? What sets it apart from other media clients?
Well, it uses the Jellyfin web interface but incorporates an embedded MPV player. That's pretty unique.
Embedded MPV, huh? That's a solid choice for playback. How does it perform across different operating systems?
It supports Windows, Mac, and Linux, which is impressive. They've made it fairly accessible.
Right, but does it have any limitations? Like, is it just another media player or something more?
Actually, it supports audio pass-through, which could enhance audio quality. That's a great feature.
Oh wow, that's definitely a plus. But what about the setup process? Is it complicated to build?
A bit for Linux, you need to install a ton of dependencies. It's a bit overwhelming.
That sounds like a barrier for entry. I wonder how many people will actually go through that hassle.
Exactly, it might deter casual users, but once it's set up, it seems pretty smooth.
I guess the real test is how user-friendly it is after the initial setup. Have you tried it?
Not yet, but I'm curious. The fact that it utilizes the existing web client is intriguing.
True, it could make for a consistent user experience, but I wonder about performance.
Yeah, that's a valid concern. If the web interface isn't optimized well, it could lag.
And if there are bugs that could really impact usability, have they mentioned any known issues?
Yes, they noted that if you build MPV from source, you need to disable Pipewire to avoid crashes.
That sounds risky. It's frustrating when you have to jump through hoops just to get things working.
Exactly, but on the flip side, they're transparent about these issues, which is refreshing.
For sure, transparency is key. Any idea what kind of media it can handle?
It's meant for a variety of formats, but I haven't seen specific details on that yet.
I hope it's versatile, but if it's just limited to a few formats, it might hurt its appeal.
Good point, variety is essential in today's media landscape. Otherwise, users might look elsewhere.
Totally, and how about the logs and configuration files? Are they easy to manage?
They're quite organized. Each OS has its designated log and config file locations, which is nice.
That's helpful. It sounds like they've put thought into user experience after setup.
Right, plus there's a web debugger for remote debugging, which could be useful for developers.
That's a neat feature. It's great they cater to developers, but I wonder if casual users will even notice.
True, casual users might not dig that deep, but it's a good sign for future enhancements.
Definitely. But there's always a balance between user-friendliness and advanced features.
Exactly, it's a tightrope walk. I'm curious to see how they'll evolve Jellyfin Desktop.
For sure, they've got potential. I just hope they address the setup issue soon.
Absolutely, if they can streamline that process, they could attract a lot more users.
And that could really set them apart from other desktop media clients.
Totally, so overall, I'm excited but cautiously optimistic about Jellyfin Desktop.
Same here. It'll be interesting to see how the community responds to it.
Right? I feel like a lot of people will be watching its development closely.
Definitely, it's always thrilling to see new tech unfold. Let's keep an eye on it.
Yes, I love diving into these tech discussions with you.
Same, it's like a mini adventure in the world of tech. Until next time.
For sure, can't wait to chat more about what we discover next.
Absolutely, see you then.